So you might be in a position where you actually want to go ahead and update Spotify on your iPhone or Android or whatever other device you have now doing. It is actually very easy.
However, make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process.
So the first thing what we need to do is you want to hop inside of your Google Play Store or your Apple Play Store. This is basically where you went ahead and downloaded Snapchat, and then tap on search little icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap on search bar, and of course we should enter Spotify here and search it. Here you will see some different apps, but we should find only Spotify and then tap on Spotify Music. So if here says open, that means you are updated to the latest version of Spotify app. If here says download, that means you don't have Spotify app. And if here says update, that means you have some update to your Spotify app on your specific device. Just tap on update and you will start updating your Spotify app. If you do see an update button like we just saw here, well, that is basically how to fix it. Just go and tap update and you should be good to go. Now you can see it says open. If you go and open up Spotify app, you should be able to go ahead and see that Spotify has been updated. So that is pretty much how to do it.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.